Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here again at CVS for CVS Best Deals for the week of July 17th through the 23rd. Now, this video was supposed to be a little bit longer. I was supposed to have more deals, but unfortunately, I did have my kids with me, and sometimes that is a little tough to record. So I have 4 options for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, for having patience with me. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Remember, there are more deals. These are just the best deals in my opinion. So we're going to start off with the deal you see all the way to the right that says when you spend 30, you're going to get 10 extra care bucks with a limit of 1. This offer includes Bounty, Tide, Gain, Herbal Essence, shampoo, Head & Shoulders, diapers. I'm going to give you 2 examples. Now for our first one, we're going to be getting some Head & Shoulders, and we're going to be using this $3 digital that everybody should have. So these are going to be priced at 2 for $12 this week. We're also going to be getting some Gain. Now you can either get the detergent or get the fireworks and use a coupon. It's supposed to look like this. The one I'm showing on the screen is expired, but it's going to look something like that. On the ad, it says that we're supposed to get a manufacturer coupon, but I don't get those in my region, so I can't show you a picture of those. So we're also going to be picking up some Charmin, the 12 equals 48 mega rolls, as well as the Bounty 8 equals 12 rolls are going to be on sale for $14.99 this week. So we're going to be picking up the Charmin. As you guys can see here, there is none in stock at my store. So we're just going to make believe, pretend that we have some Charmin here. So here's everything we have for our first scenario. So we have the Charmin toilet paper at $14.99. If you happen to have these same CRTs, the $2 off, I do have these on both of my accounts. So I hope you guys had those too. 2 of the $2 CRTs as well as a $1 digital. For the Head & Shoulders, I showed you guys that we have that 2 off that are priced at 2 for $12. We have that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And then for the Gain detergent that's priced at $5.49, we have that $1 manufacturer coupon. Now, like I said, those are regional. Those do not come here in my area. I tried looking for one of the manufacturer coupons online, and the one I showed you guys was expired, but it's going to look something like that. Now, it does say in the ad that if you guys get Gain in your areas, that you should get that $1 manufacturer coupon. So before coupons, it's going to come out to $32.48. If you have this 6 off 30, your 6 off 30 purchase, you're going to go ahead and use that. And then we have $9 between like CRTs, digitals, and manufacturer paper coupons. After everything comes off, it's going to come down to $17.48, but we're going to get 10 extra care bucks back, leaving these down to $7.48 or only $1.87. Now, if you happen to have that 5 off 30, you can go ahead and do the same deal, but you're just going to pay $1 more. So here, I think this is a pretty good deal. For only $1.87 per item, that's a pretty good deal since the Charmin alone is $14.99. So I will leave in the description. Make sure you check it out on how you can start getting those texted coupons like I get. Every week for 2 weeks, I have been getting a 6 off 30 on one of my accounts and a 5 off 30 on my other one. So check the description and I will show you guys how to get those. So for our second deal, it's going to be on the Scott paper towels and the toilet paper 2 for $20. And when you spend $20, you're going to get 5 extra care bucks. As you guys can see here, I do not have the 12 equals 22 roll. So again, we're going to make believe that I have these here on my store, and we're going to be picking up some of the Scott 12 rolls as well. So 2 for $20 this week, which is, like I said, we're going to make believe that I have the Scott 12 equals 22 paper towels. So 2 for $20. Now, I do pre-record these on Saturdays, so I don't have access to the digitals just yet. But if you scan each one of them, we're going to have a $1 digital on each one of them. So $1 digital for the paper towels, $1 digital for the toilet paper. So after the $2 in digitals, these are going to come down to $18, but we're going to get 5 extra care bucks. After the 5 extra care bucks, these are left down to $13 or only $6.50 each. Now, if you happen to have a save 4 off of your purchase of $20 on Scott products, you can go ahead and use that. You're going to pay $4 less. I unfortunately didn't have it on any of my accounts So I can't show that to you guys. So if you have that 4 off 20, go ahead and use it and you're going to have an even bigger savings. So option number 2 for the spend 30 get 10, as you guys can see in the bottom right corner, the Ninjamas, the Easy Ups, and the Pampers are a part of that deal. And they're going to be on sale for $10.99. So I always give you guys options with the Easy Ups. I'm going to give you guys options with the Baby Swaddler. So $10.99, we're going to pick 3 of these up. And for 2 of them, we're going to be using this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So here is all 3 of my Pampers diapers, $10.99. For 3 of them, it's going to come up to $32.97. Again, this is another option to that spend 30 get 10. And we're going to be using this 6 off 30. Again, check the description. I will show you guys how to get that, how to start getting these types of coupons. So $32.97 minus that 6 off 30, and then the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. These are going to come down to paying $23.97, but we're going to get 10 extra care bucks, leaving these after the 10 extra care bucks. It's like we're paying $13.97 for all 3 of them, or only $4.65 each. So I think I always tell you guys, whenever you guys can get diapers, Pampers, pull-ups, Easy Ups for less than $5, go ahead and pick them up. Diapers are going up all the time, so I feel like $5 for diapers is a pretty good stock-up price. So if you happen to have like a 5 off 30 baby care or diapers, or baby care or diaper CRT, go ahead and use that instead of that 6 off 30 if you don't happen to have those coupons. Again, check the description box. I will show you guys. All you have to do is send the word extra to a number. I'm not sure of the number just yet, like off the top of my head, but I will have it in the description. So go ahead and check that out. But again, if you have that 5 off 30 baby care, go ahead and use that. And for another deal, it's going to be on the Kotex liners, pads, or tampons. They're going to be on sale 2 for $8. And when you buy 2, you're going to get 2 extra care bucks with a limit of 1. So, like I said, they are priced at 2 for $8. And we're going to be using this $4 manufacturer coupon that came out in the 626 Smart Source. When you buy 2, you're going to save $4. So, 2 for $8 minus that $4 manufacturer coupon. Everything's going to come down to paying $4, but since we did buy 2, we're going to get 2 extra care bucks. So we're paying 4, but getting back 2. After those 2 extra care bucks, these are going to come down to $2 or only $1 each. So I feel like if you need them, go ahead and get them. So like I said, I had more deals for you guys, but my kids were just being a little bit impatient. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much for understanding. All of you moms out there know how it is sometimes to go out shopping with your kids, especially me, that I have to record and store with them. So whenever my husband can, of course, he helps me with the kids. He just had to work today. So thank you for understanding. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I will see you guys later to show you what I ended up buying. So thank you, and I'll see you next time.